Are you attracted to me?
I am.
Okay, so what's stopping you from kissing me right now?
Well, I mean, there's a lot of people around.
It's fine. We're actors, right?
We are, yeah.
So you're gonna do it?
I mean, if you're cool with it.
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
You're not kidding?
I'm not kidding.
Okay. You sure?
Yeah.
I don't know if I believe you.